So what we have here is a solar panel. So the size of this solar panel is just a 5 inches and around 8.5. So this is a very small compact solar panel. So right now we'll just measure the open voltage using a multimeter. So let's measure the open voltage for this solar panel. So currently it reads 7.6 volts. So what we're going to do is from here, so this is just a solar panel and heated, so we're getting a 6.7 volts again. Let's check again the voltage. Red to red, black to black. So yeah, exact 7.6 volts or 7.5. Okay, so I'm gonna use this to charge my mobile phone. So I have ordered a simple this kind of equipment. So this is a charge controller solar, which is brand new. So we're expecting the input voltage and output is 5 amperes. So in this circuit we have two. This one is 1 ampere and the other output is a 2 ampere. So we're just going to bolt this. So there's a indicator, a minus, negative and a positive on the input, and also included is a connector wire. Okay, so we're just going to direct this on their solar. So using a screwdriver, let's unscrew. So connect the negative to the negative. So negative to negative. And it might be safer if I will remove this first before connecting, because it is already a voltage. Okay, so I'm just gonna to remove this away from the sun so that the voltage will be minimum. Okay, so now that the circuit is already terminated, then let's burn the solar panels and let's test the voltage once again. So this is the negative and the positive. Double checking. So we're getting 7.5 volts in the circuit. And now this one, you can already use this to charge. So here I have a power bank. So let's try. The charging indicator indicate here, so it's already 2. So let's charge it in 2 amps. Oh, it's charging. Absolutely. So now I have a solar system. Okay, so that's how you charge a simple solar circuit using this. And let's check if this can charge. So I'm gonna use it to charge a few minutes or hours. Now it's indicating that it's charging. Okay, so that's the proof that this circuit is already a solar charging. So this is the same concept that is used in solar system. So you have a solar controller, this one, this circuit board, and this is the battery where you will store or charge your harnessed energy from the sun. But you can also charge this using your mobile phone. I'm just gonna test it a few tries, okay? Okay, another way to test is using this voltmeter. So just indicate if this can be powered up. Yeah, it's providing a 3 ampere, 0.3 ampere. It's just too dark and it indicates charging already. Okay, so a very good circuit, emergency solar panel charger. Simple setup. Hopefully can use this in the future. See you around, guys, and follow for more tips for more solar setup. Okay, so this will be used emergency charging using the sun's power. Okay, my cable is a bit loose, that's why I'm disconnecting sometimes, but yeah, now there's no direct sun, so yeah, the voltage dropped 4.5 0 ampere. Even you have getting a voltage since the sun is down. So yep, a simple solar setup. Yeah, thank you for more.